Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator. And I just want to thank everybody for supporting the movement. Thank you for supporting the brand. Thank you for getting your merch. Thank you for all that you do. I just want to honestly come on here and just really tell you that I really appreciate all the orders. Man, it's really a blessing to see you guys support. Thank you for everything. That's why we provide free education. And I'm thank you guys for all the support that you guys have done and really supporting the movement. And thank you. I just want to thank every last one of you. And I want to encourage everybody, if you don't know about the brand yet, definitely get in tune with us, because BShynaz Legacy is all about financial literacy. That's why we focus on building, leading, and focusing on empowering families with education. And all I ask for is just a quick little donation, a little bit of support. All I'm asking you guys to go get your shirt, get your fit, get it for your kids, get it for your grandparents, get it for a cousin, and just literally spread. That's how you keep the movement going. So I just want to thank everybody for supporting, and I appreciate you all. God bless you. Let's keep winning. 2024 is ours for the giving. Keep winning. God bless you. Thank you.